Hi guys. Whoa, today's lesson is on equal parts, so it has this rooster. Looks equal to me, it says. So don't forget to write your name on your paper, just like this. Okay, first we're going to do our lesson. Our essential question is, how can I recognize two-dimensional shapes and equal shares, which is what we are working on today, equal shares. How to measure a row of ladybugs. So we use connecting cubes, and make sure that you are lining up your connecting cube. Well, don't let me have one. Line up your connecting cube with the edge of the ladybug. 3. Are you guessing how many it might take? Are you guessing 13? Are you guessing 12? What are you guessing? That one doesn't look even. Let's see, there's what, 5? I'm making a pattern. Can you guess what comes next? I guess I'm not making a pattern. Oh, yes, I am. Oh, yes, I am. Okay, so about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we used 8 connecting cubes. So that's a non-standard unit of measure. If you wanted to measure with a standard unit of measure, you would use a ruler or a measuring tape. And to do inches. Oh, they said 7. I swear I counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, it goes over the line a little bit. Maybe ours were smaller. Let's see. Use pattern, Common Core Quick Check. Use pattern box to solve. Sam used only triangles to fill this shape. Hillary used triangles and 1 trapezoid to fill this shape. How many more triangles did Sam use than Hillary? Let's find out. Oh, it's not going to let me use my tools. So we'll use this, and we'll do Hillary's. Oh no, we'll do Sam's first. Sam used only triangles. So there's 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles, 4 triangles, 5 triangles, and then 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he used 6 triangles. So Sam used 6. So let's see. Hillary, what she used. Okay, so Hillary used 1 trapezoid. So let's see, our trapezoid shape would be this right here. There's her 1 trapezoid and just triangles. So we know the bottom to make a trapezoid will be 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3 triangles. So Hillary only used 3 triangles and 1 trapezoid, and Sam used 6. So how many more triangles did Sam use than Hillary? He used 6. Hillary used 3. How many more did he use? 6 minus 3 equals 3. So he used 3. He used 3 more than she did. Okay, awesome job. Here's our Common Core Quick Check again, test practice. Kieran put 3 triangles together to make a shape. How many sides does the shape have? So if we put these 3 shapes together, the triangles, we just did it a moment ago, didn't we? So if we put them together almost exactly how they're laid out, they're just not close enough together. There's our second triangle, and then we need 1 more triangle. 1, 2, 3. So if we consider this one entire shape, which is a trapezoid, how many sides does it have? Just on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would say 4. 4 is our answer. Okay, how do you know if a shape is divided into equal parts? So we want to talk about symmetry right now. It's actually kind of an art form, doing symmetrical art, or your face is symmetrical. If you divided it in half, your face would look the same on this side as it does on this side. If you had a butterfly and you put the butterfly in half, it would be symmetrical, the same on one side as it is on the other side. So if we flip this, is it a pie? If we flip this pie over, it would be the same on this side as it is on this side. Same shape, same size, same color. Okay, so let's go on. Jocelyn had a cake at her birthday party. She wants to cut it into 2 equal parts. That's going to be a lot of cake for someone. Draw a line to show how she can cut the cake. So let's get our writing tools out. Now you could do this a couple of different ways. To make it in half, you could go this way, to divide it into 2 equal parts. You could also go vertically up and down to divide it into 2 equal parts. You could also go diagonally to divide it into 2 equal parts. So there are different ways that she could cut that cake. But I want to be at her birthday party. That looks like a good cake. The only thing we need to make sure is that the cake is the same on either half. Okay, Derek makes a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. He wants to share it equally with his friends. He cuts the sandwich into 4 equal parts to share with friends. Draw lines to show 4 equal parts. So, we can draw a line vertically down about the center, hopefully. And then that's only 2 equal shares. We want to do 4 equal shares. So we'll draw another line going horizontal. And that will give 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Or you could also say fourths. We cut it into fourths. So here's the example in the corner. Exactly what we did. Okay, and now we're on to our paper. Explore and explain, this one. Okay, so use square, triangles, and trapezoid shape pattern blocks. Cover each shape with the blocks shown. Trace the lines to show your work. Tell the number of equal parts in each shape. So I didn't have enough pattern blocks to give everybody this number, the 4s and the 2s. So we're going to go ahead and you can just flip them over to make, so use your trapezoid twice, trace it. So obviously we use our trapezoid twice here, and then flip it over here, we would have 2 equal parts. So let me show you what I mean. There's 1. We have to turn this guy around. Alright, so that is 2 equal parts. So go ahead and trace out that 2. Okay, then we'll go back to this triangle. Here you have 4 equal parts. So we'll use 4 triangles. And then we will invert this one. It's close. To show 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 equal parts. So go ahead and trace out that 4. And then we'll use squares on this one to make 1 giant square out of 4 smaller squares. So that's kind of just like that boy's peanut butter, and I can't remember his name, the peanut butter and jelly sandwich that he divided into 4ths, 4 equal parts. Okay, let's go on the inside of your paper now to the see and show. A whole can be separated into equal parts or equal shares. Equal parts of the whole are the same size. So 4 equal parts, go ahead and trace out that 4. 2 equal parts or halves is the 2. Okay, now we're going to write how many equal parts. So look at number 1. You can see this rectangle here, or sorry, square, made of 2 equal parts. So we'll say 2 here. And then here you have a circle, but it's divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Okay, so go ahead and write your 2 and your 4 there. Okay, let's go on to number 3. We have a triangle. We want to draw lines this time to show equal parts. Now, tell me first, can I make it is that equal parts? No, that's not. The top half is different shapes. And remember, to show equal parts, it has to be the same shape and same size. So that's not it. So we want to divide it equally. We would divide it right down the center, 2 equal parts. So please go ahead with your pencil and draw 2 equal parts. The line down the center. Number 4, we want to draw 4 equal parts. So we are going to first do 2 equal parts. And then we're going to divide it this way, horizontally, to make 4 equal parts. Oh, sorry, let's go back to that question. How do you know when parts are equal? Well, we kind of talked about that both sides are the same shape and the same size. Oh, sorry, all parts are the same shape and same size. Okay, the next part you have is on my own, so we will be doing 5, 6, 7, and 8, showing write how many equal parts. So you count up the equal parts and write how many equal parts. I'm going to move myself so you can see it there. Okay, and then you'll be doing, oh gosh, it just showed the answer. Then we draw lines on 9 and 10 to show equal parts. And then, and then number 11, circle the shape that shows equal parts. Okay, and then go ahead and pause me and please complete your on my own page. And then come back to me and we'll do the back side together. Okay, let's go on to the back side where you have, gosh, it's lunchtime right now for me, so this looks pretty good, this peanut butter and jelly. Jasmine cuts her sandwich into 2 equal parts. Circle Jasmine's sandwich. So remember, equal parts means they're the same size. Each equal part is the same size and same shape. So is this the same size or the same shape? No, it can't be that one. How about this one? Well, it's divided roughly into 4, but those are not the same shape and the same size. How about this? Yeah, that's the sandwich I would want to share with Jasmine, wouldn't you? Because she divided it pretty equally into 2 equal parts. So go ahead and circle that sandwich. Okay, Damon is sharing a pie equally, all this food. Damon is sharing a pie equally with 3 friends. 3 friends. Do you like pie? Would you want to be one of those 3 friends? How many equal parts does he need? Well, if he's sharing with 3 friends plus him, so Damon plus 3 friends would be 4. So how many equal parts does he need? Well, he needs 4 equal parts. We could also divide that pie into 4 equal parts by going vertically and then horizontally, and that makes 4 equal shares. Okay, here's our hot problem. Isabel and Katie cut this pizza to share with her 2 friends. Isabel and Katie cut this pizza to share with 2 friends. So first have Isabel and Katie plus their 2 friends. Tell why they are wrong and make it right. Please remember to use a capital and a period and use complete sentences. Okay, that's the end of our lesson today. I hope you're doing well. Miss you guys. Love you so much. Hope to see you soon.